recorded tremendous achievements in the last 3 years. These include revitalizing healthcare infrastructure, improving primary healthcare services, expanding health insurance coverage, recruitment of healthcare workers, and the introduction of modern healthcare technology in some facilities across Plateau State. In this special report to mark 3 years of the Time Is Now administration, our correspondent highlights major interventions that are impacting healthcare delivery and improving the welfare of residents in the state.
Since he assumed office in May 2023, Governor Caleb Mutfwang has given priority to the health sector, being one of his administration's development agenda. From revitalization of primary healthcare centers to completion and equipping a modern diagnostic laboratory and introducing electronic medical records, as well as maternal and child health interventions. Governor Caleb Mutfwang has also powered some health facilities with solar and strengthened the state health insurance coverage, improved the state's drug management system, and partnered national and international organizations for reforms in the health sector. Plateau State Commissioner of Health, Dr. Nicholas Bamlong, said through the interventions, Governor Caleb Mutfwang has strengthened the emergencies operation centers through the epidemiological unit to curtail outbreak of diseases in communities.
The state government is doing her own part in terms of ensuring that we make commitments to counterpart funding where necessary and things like that. But we are equally trying to see how private sector can come in to support the government because health is quite expensive.
The modern diagnostic laboratory complex completed and commissioned by Governor Caleb Mutfwang at the Plateau State Specialist Hospital contains sophisticated machines for hematology, microbiology, chemical pathology, histology, and other specialized diagnostic investigations. For the Plateau State Drugs and Medical Commodities Management Agency, the administration of Governor Caleb Mutfwang built a warehouse and renovated the old structure and equipped it with motorized forklift, efficient chain system, cold room, and available logistics system, among others. Director General, Plateau State Drug and Medical Commodities Management Agency, Kim Jeribot, said the governor is passionate about making drugs and other consumables accessible to citizens.
No longer shortchanging the plateau money in the system, no longer expensive commodities, no longer shortages, no longer out of stock, no longer long queues in the hospital.
Another critical agency which the Governor Mutfwang administration has taken personal is the Plateau State Health Insurance Agency plus CHEMA. The role of the agency is to ensure that residents have access to affordable and quality healthcare services without suffering financial burden from medical bills, thereby supporting the goal of universal health coverage in Plateau State. Director General plus Chairman Dr. Kwande Dawal said the commencement of the Equity Health Plan initiated by Governor Caleb Mutfwang has given the poor and vulnerable residents the opportunity to benefit from accessible health care.
We really need to expand the pool that we have. Now, if you look at our enrollment, it stands at about 320,000 beneficiaries. About 75% of the population is in the informal sector. So we're trying to look at the context to see how we can really delve into the informal sector.
The Plateau State Emergency Medical Services and Ambulance System plus SEMSAS also witnessed a boost with the coming of Governor Caleb Mutfwang on board. With the purchase of 6 ambulances fully equipped with modern facilities, the agency has 27 ambulances providing rapid medical response and emergency transportation for people facing life-threatening situations, in addition to tricycles operating in rural communities. Dr. Izang Ebel is the state coordinator of SEMSAS, who said the ambulances provide prompt and free services in case of emergencies.
So there is what we call the emergency call number. The toll-free number is 112. Once you call 112, it will go to the toll-free line, and then from there they will call us through our alternative number. So these services are available.
A citizen, Hyacinth Lunkes, urged government to focus on training health personnel on proper bedside manners. Despite government's intervention in the health sector, much needs to be done in the areas of manpower, additional wards and beds at the secondary health facilities, as well as upgrading the mortuary at the Plateau State Specialist Hospital. In Jos, Zainab Babaji.
The Plateau State Police Command